Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you a trick by which you can get to see and early access to the One UI 7 icons or the dark icons on your Samsung Galaxy devices. These dark icons will give your device a completely new fresh look and these are looking really awesome. So to get these, you just have to simply go to your Samsung Galaxy store, and after going to your Samsung Galaxy store you just have to simply install this Good Lock application. I have already installed this Good Lock application, so I will simply open it from here. And after opening your Good Lock application, you just have to simply search for this theme park. This theme park might be already installed on your Good Lock application. If not, you just have to simply search for it and install it. And after that, you just have to simply go to your Play Store, and from here you have to search for One Pro icon. From here, you have to install this One Pro Dark Icon Pack. This is a paid icon pack available which will give your device a One UI 7 dark icons early access. Now after downloading you will get to see this One Pro Dark application which has multiple icons available. As you can see, many dark icons of the multiple apps are available in this app. You can also further choose or customize the icons directly from here as well. And not only the icons, there are multiple dark wallpapers as well that you can choose directly from here. As you can see, there are many good looking wallpapers available that you can select from here. Now to apply the icons, you have to simply go back to your Good Lock application, and from here you have to select this theme park. Now after going into your theme park, you have to select on this icon option available in the bottom. Now after selecting icon, you have to click on create new. And from here you have to select icon pack. Now after selecting icon pack, you just have to simply click on this One Pro Dark icon pack. Now after selecting One Pro Dark, you just have to simply click on this download option, and before downloading you will have to name it, so you can name it and click on OK. And after that you will have to wait for a while, and as you can see, the One Pro Dark icons option is now available that you can apply directly from here. And that's it, the One UI 7 dark icons will be now applied on your Samsung Galaxy devices. As you can see, this is all completely working. All the icons like calls, camera are completely working fine. And as you can see, the camera app is also working fine. All of these apps will work completely fine. All these apps in the dark icon of the One UI 7 are giving your device a fresh new look, and they are looking really amazing. So do check out this One UI 7 icon pack and let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section. Further, if you want to get to see an early access to this clock widgets and the clock application as well, so for that you can visit the link mentioned in the description that will tell you that how you can update your clock application on this version. After that you will get to see an early access to these widgets. These widgets are also very smooth and working completely fine. And that's a wrap for today's video. Check out this One UI 7 icons and the clock application if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new updates.